before I like mow down my hair or whatever. So this is the unit. This is the box that it came in. Mslula's. It came in this box. I love their like packaging. And you know what's so cute? They sent me, because I been got this package like last week. So, you know, it was before Halloween. So they sent me like a cute little Halloween bag. So cute. Thank you, Mslula. I love them. This might be my favorite new company now. Yeah. So anyway, so yeah, this is it's a full lace wig. So I didn't have to make this wig, thank God, because making wigs takes time. So they sent me a wig this time. The first time they sent me bundles and I had to make my own wig. And y'all see this right here? I hate when that happens. Anyway, so they sent me an actual wig this time. So full lace wig, and this is a 12-inch. I can't think of the curl pattern, but all information is listed down in the description box. So also a coupon code, well not coupon, a discount code, so you guys should check my description box. It bleached the knots, I just don't feel like it, so we're gonna make this work. It comes with like combs in the back, and then like in the middle right here, and then this is like the lace. I love their laces because they're not too thick, they're not too like dark. The knots are really small. I just don't feel like bleaching them, so we're gonna make it work anyway. But I'm excited to try this on, put it on my head. It's so soft, so I can only imagine how it would feel with like actual product. So I'm gonna go in and add some foundation on the lace. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put this on. I didn't go in and pluck the lace, but I think I'm gonna just pluck it as I go, like once I put it on. So the wig is all like glue on. I'm just combing through the curls. I'm trying to see how I want to style this. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm gonna just play around with it some more, but overall I really like the wig. It doesn't feel too full, it doesn't feel too thin. The lace looks really good. Like I didn't bleach the knots and it came out looking really pretty good. And I went in and put some mousse. This is the mousse that I put on to lay the edges, and I put on my hair. And I used some water to also spray it. And I just went in with the blow dryer and just like, you know, dried it up or whatever like that. But I really like the look. I'm gonna wait till it dries up to see how it's gonna look when it's like dry, because it's like a wet look, like fresh out the shower look. But let me know in the comments what you guys think about this unit. This is Mslula's hair. My camera about to die. Yeah, comment down below what you guys think about this. Don't forget to check the description box. All information on this hair, coupon code, everything is listed in my description box. Subscribe if you are new to my channel. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload a video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you all for tuning in, and I will see y'all in my next video.